Hey everybody, this is Elizabeth at Dandelion Soap Herb Shop, and I thought I'd bring you guys outside while it's beautiful here. It's about 54 degrees outside, and go over a few of our wild edibles to identify them and recognize them and know what they are. So I'm going to flip the camera around so that we can see the wild edibles and show you what we've got. So the other thing I want to show you that most people recognize and see all the time are these. This is wild sweet violets. These are in the sweet pea family, and these are very tasty. My dogs, when they were alive, I would have to chase to get these because they would eat them before I could get to them. They're very tasty. They're full of vitamin C. I am talking one of the most superb edible flowers you'll ever eat. And like I said, they're in the sweet pea family. They taste really good. And if you'll look, I'm going to pull this one so you can see it, so I can show you. See right there on the back of her where she's got that beautiful little greenery? It looks just like a sweet pea, and that is of the sweet pea family. So she is very tasty, very nutritious. Well, of the sweet pea family, these you can put in a tossed salad. It is absolutely delicious. I am not kidding. Just get you a few of them, and they make the plate look beautiful too. But when these start coming out more vibrantly, when we start getting a whole bunch of these wild sweet violets, and as you can see, there's all kinds of sorrel growing here on the ground. This is the wild sweet violet's leaf. And a second way you can identify the wild sweet violet is her blooms, of course, are these beautiful little purple flowers. Sometimes they'll be white when they pop up in your grass. They're all edible, full of vitamin C, great for cellulite, varicose veins, phlebitis, any kind of fluid or swelling. And they are delicious on any tossed salad. I will show y'all how to make a vinegar, a beautiful purple, amber, I'm talking raspberry, beautiful pink, purple, sweet vinegar, and it's so full of vitamin C. It's delicious. I use it in everything, and I sell it here at the shop. So let me go back to what I was saying. If I can find another leaf. Another second way to identify, see the heart-shaped leaf? All the leaves of the wild sweet violet look just like a heart. They're shaped just like a heart. They're very beautiful. And they are tasty too. These are really good, especially if you do like the green drinks or any kind of tossed salad. The leaves are full of vitamin C as well, and they're really good chlorophyll. Get a good chlorophyll out of them. So you could put those in your salad as well. But the wild sweet violets is really what people are after, because they have that crunchy green sweet pea, like the sweet peas that you put in your tossed salads. It has that flavor to it. And like I said, they make the most beautiful amber vinegar full of vitamin C. I couldn't even tell you how much vitamin C is in it.